What does it really mean in a smart connected product strategy to create that customer intimacy when it comes to the kind of data that we have access to, as well as really being able to unlock that better customer relationship as a result?
Sure, great question. I think it's really all about strategically embedding yourself deeper into your customers' operations, right? So that their processes and flows, which are dependent upon the equipment that you are providing them, that you're understanding what they need to utilize your machinery most efficiently and ultimately drive their own bottom line, right? So embedding deeper means we're no longer at a point where we say, oh, look how much data we can collect and we can dump it over here if you want to go sort through it and do something with it. It's understanding those flows and how the equipment is used and providing insights that are really useful for an operator or somebody who is trying to make process improvements and providing those insights.